Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from your phone. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly, let's open Google Photos. So open that. So over here I have a dummy photo. So this is the mouse that I just simply clicked. Now if I delete this photo from here, it would delete the photo from the drive as well as from my device too. Now if I allow this, it will delete from my device storage as well. Now the only way that you can get around this is you have to go to a browser. So in this case, we're going to use Google Chrome. You can use any browser. Now over here, just simply search for photos.google.com as you can see right over here. Now open the first link, which is Google Photos. Now just simply log into your Google Photos account. Now firstly, what you have to do is, the moment you will be on your browser, make sure to turn that into desktop mode. So click on the three dots at the top right, then choose desktop site. Now reload the page and again choose Google Photos. Click on get your Google Photos. Now where you're inside the photos, choose your account at the top. You can zoom in for better quality. Now just simply wait for it to load. Now when the image is loaded, just simply close the desktop site option. So click on the three dots, uncheck the desktop site. Now over here, just simply choose the image and click on the delete icon or the trash icon at the top. Click on got it, then click on move to trash. And just like that, the photo have been moved to trash. So if you go and look into the library, you find that the image is in trash. So click on the three lines at the top left. Now just simply click on trash and you will find the image over here. And if you go to the Google Photos, you will also see that the image have been moved from here as well. So if you go to library, you will see the bin option, choose that, and the image is over here. And if you go back to your gallery and see the image is still over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.